Hi everybody, it's Brooke from the Bonnieville Library. Welcome to this first week of Think and Tinker Thursday, and I wanted to build off of the activities and sport related things we've been doing, so I thought that an obstacle course would be really good for this week to get things moving and kick off the summer reading program. So some examples of what you can do is crawling under things like a table, crawling over things, jumping, skipping, any type of movement, because that's the whole goal that we want here, is to get you moving and get you thinking about what type of things that you can do to make a good obstacle course and one that fits everybody's abilities that's doing it. You can use hopscotch, or you can do a balance beam, or basically anything in your house. Now, I want everybody to remember that when you're pulling out objects or you're taping the floor, I want to make sure that everybody has asked their adult if that's okay and maybe gotten a little bit of assistance, because there's different rules in everyone's houses, and I just want to make sure that everybody is following the rules, whether that's inside or outside. Now, the point of this is just to see everybody moving. Now, I want to make sure that everybody knows that people have different abilities and different strengths and weaknesses when it comes to obstacle courses. So when you're building it, you're going to have to think about who is doing this obstacle course and who are you building it for. Now, if you're building it for your younger sibling, that might be a lot different than when you're building it for your adult in your house. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you know who your audience is, and then adjusting it in case one person goes and then you're going to go, because you might have a different ability than what they do. So with that, I'm going to show you the one that I've made in the library, and then I just can't wait to see what you guys have built, and I want to see how you've changed it. So we'll get started. So I'm just going to show you what my obstacle course looks like in the library. So I've set out instructions on these pieces of paper, and I just want to say that paper is slippery on carpet and probably a lot of other surfaces. So when you're writing the instructions, if that's what you want to do, you want to make sure that they're out of the way of where you're going to be running or jumping, just to make sure that nobody slips on them. So this one has jump over on it. So I've set up 2 chairs, and it's just going to be a jump over. So this one is a bunch of hula hoops set up, and it says jump in like a frog on lily pads. So this one has 2 actions. It has jumping through these hula hoops, but it also makes you crouch like a frog. So then there's that one, and then you're going to come around to this one, and it says balance by toe to heel. So what that's going to look like is this. That's what you're going to try to do. So it acts like a balance beam. So again, I'm using green tape because it's going to help with not sticking to any floors, because it's painter's tape, and it's just a really good idea when you don't have a lot of objects that you can step on. So tape works really well for anything like that. So once we're done that one, we're going to go up to this one, and it says weave around these 3 garbage cans. So any way you want. Then we come to this one, and it says crawl under. So this table, you can crawl under the table. And then one thing that you can do is that once you're done crawling under the table, you can crawl back and do the obstacle course the other way, just to make it a little bit longer if you don't have enough space. So after I've ran through this with you, I'm just going to show you guys what it's going to look like actually doing it. So I'm going to go ahead and set the camera up, and I'll do it for you. Hi everybody, I'm at my house in Glendon with my dog. His name is Manny, and to finish out this video I'm going to show you guys a obstacle course that I made, and me and Manny are going to try to run through it. The video code for this one is challenge, so make sure that you guys are challenging yourself and whoever else is running your obstacle course. I'm going to set up the camera and we're going to try to go through it with Manny, and then I'll see you guys for the next time we meet.